Hi, kindergarten, first grade students. Welcome back to STEM class with Mrs. Letelier. This week we have another mini lesson, and it is about Mars. So I want to remind you that you can access these lessons at any time that works in your schedule. So your teacher might have put a specialist time slot in there, and you can go to your specialist class for the day. You go into your courses. On your Schoology page, you're going to go up to courses and you're going to look for STEM. When you go into your STEM class, you will scroll down to lessons and you will look for lesson 1, and now we're on lesson 2. So lesson 2 is why is Mars red? So I want you to watch a Mystery Doug. You will click and you will see a little link pop up. Look for that little white hand that pops up there. When you click on that, it will take you to Mystery Doug to have him ask you some questions and tell you a little bit about Mars. And then you're going to answer some questions, have a family discussion about why is Mars red? And what are you curious about? And what questions do you have? So if you feel extra curious, there's a bonus activity to go outside and look around your environment and look at the rocks and think about the different types of rocks, what color they are. Maybe you might know what the names of some of those rocks are. And the last question, if the place you lived was named for its rocks, what would it be called? Now, these are my favorite. These are the bonus lessons. You can go to SpaceX and you can see how they are planning to go to Mars. SpaceX this summer had some exciting missions. They sent the Dragon capsule to send astronauts to the International Space Station. And this capsule returned to Earth from the atmosphere. Look at these giant parachutes dropped into the ocean where the astronauts were retrieved. This is Starship. This is the first, one of the prototypes, not the first, but one of many that is designed to go to Mars. So they're testing out engines and systems to see if we can make it to Mars. Here's our returning astronauts from the Dragon. Let's see what I wanted to show you. Starship is the mission to send humans to the moon, to Mars, and beyond. So this is still in the early stages to design a ship that can go outside of our Earth and past our moon, farther than humans have ever been before. So that's the first one you're going to explore, SpaceX. And then I have the second link is another exciting mission. This rover was launched from the United Launch Alliance. And this is our new rover that is heading to Mars. This is Perseverance. Persevere means to keep trying, keep trying. We're all going to persevere to try and make it through this crazy year. Perseverance is on its way. Countdown to landing 162 days until it lands in February. This new rover on its way to Mars, it is going to be searching for life on Mars. It's taking samples of the soil, drilling into the soil. It is looking to see if there ever was life on Mars, to see if there's any remainder of life. And how do we know? How do we know if there was life on Mars? How are they going to find that out? A good question to think about. So this is a bonus mini lesson And then we're going to get into more patterns in the sky to learn about what's happening in our sky. So that is lesson number 2. And I'm going to have an exit ticket I'd love for you to fill out to tell me about this lesson. Thank you for listening. Please send me any emails or messages on Schoology. I'd love to see you and chat with you more. Bye.